Hi friends, in this video we are solving a problem on multiple integrals. Given problem is evaluate double integral over r xy times of x square plus y square whole to the power of 3 by 2 dx dy over the positive quadrant of the circle x square plus y square is equal to 1 by changing into polar coordinates. Right. You see friends, the given problem is double integral over r xy times of x square plus y square whole to the power of 3 by 2 dx dy. So the integrand you observe, this is we are integrating with respect to x comma y. That is nothing but the problem is we are evaluating in Cartesian coordinates. Now we have to changing into polar coordinates. Nothing but from x comma y variable to we have to change into r comma theta. So how you can change means first we have to observe the region. What is the region they are given? Region is the first quadrant of the circle. Actually, what is the circle you have? Circle generally we have like in this form. So with the center 0, 0 based on this x square plus y square is equal to r square form. If it, here r is 1 means you can consider this is a unit circle. This is unit circle. So in the unit circle, this is the given region is in a positive quadrant only. Positive quadrant means only you have to take this one. So this is our region. So this is the region. In this region we have to evaluate. How we have to evaluate means changing into polar coordinates. Remember friends, whenever we are changing into polar coordinates from the Cartesian coordinates, the double integral over r f of x comma y dx dy, we are substituting x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and dx dy will get a Jacobian of dr d theta, where Jacobian is a transformation from x comma y variable to r comma theta. So if you are simplified this, then you will have r. Therefore dx dy we can say r into dr into d theta. And in this case we are changing the limits of r from x comma y to r comma theta. Okay, r dash region we are changing. Right. How you are getting r dash region? You see, in place of x what I am substituting? R cos theta. In place of y, r sin theta, and dx dy means r into dr into d theta, r into dr into d theta. Now you require the limits also. The region limits, this is in first quadrant. In the first quadrant, if you want to know the r value, draw the strip like this. X is equal to y line. On the x is equal to y line, this is touch, the region is touches starting point at origin. So you can say r is started means radius is started at 0 and end with 1. So r is less than r is equal to 0. R is in between 0 to 1. Nothing but 0 less than r is equal to r less than r equal to 1. And theta you required. You observe the angle, the region is occupied in the first quadrant. So what will be the angle? 0 is less than r is equal to theta is less than r is equal to pi by 2 only. So the double integral r, what they are given? Double integral r xy times of x square plus y square whole to the power of 3 by 2 dx dy will become r dash region. What is the r dash region? You have the limits. R is from 0 to 1 and theta is from 0 to pi by 2. And xy, what is x you have? R cos theta into y is r sin theta into x square plus y square. What is x square plus y square? If x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, then x square is r square cos square theta, y square is r square sin square theta. If you added these two, then you will have r square times of cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1. So you will get x square plus y square is equal to r square into dx dy. What is the dx dy you have? R into dr into d theta. That's it. So now you have to evaluate this one. Now you observe the limits are 0 to 1 and 0 to pi by 2. R terms what you have here? R power 1, R power 1, R square and R. So finally you have R to the power of here this is R power 1 second 3 whole power 3 by 2 is there. I forgot you. So this square root and 1 root square and square root will be getting cancelled. Then you will have r cube. R cube into r power 4, r power 5, r power 6. So r to the power of 6 into cos theta into sin theta dr d theta. So here you observe the limits of r and theta both are independent. So you can do integration separately or else you can do irrespective of order. First I am integrating with respect to r. Okay. General method means you can integrate first with respect to r, later with respect to theta. That is your wish, vice versa also. So I am integrating with respect to r first. So r integration is r to the power of 7 by 7, limits from 0 to 1. And the remaining term I have cos theta into sin theta d theta. Now if you are substituted upper limit, then you will have first 1 by 7 outside I can write. Upper limit if you are substituted, you have 1. Lower limit is 0. 1 power 7 is 1, 0 power 7 is 0 into cos theta sin theta d theta. So this is equal to 1 by 7 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power of theta sin to the power of theta d theta. Okay friends, you see in this case you cannot apply Wallis theorem. Why we are not unable to apply means here powers are 1. Whenever powers are 1 we cannot apply. Now what you can do means you can do this one in two types. One is we have a formula sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. You can do in that method. Or else another method, you see friends, whenever you have a product of two functions, you have to remember f dash of x into f of x whole to the power of n dx form if it is there. Nothing but bracket power n is there and bracket derivative is beside. Then you can write a bracket power plus 1 by power plus 1 plus c in indefinite integral. But this is a definite integral. Now which one you have to take as a f of theta? Sin theta you take. Sin theta derivative is what here? Cosine theta. Yes. Now if you are consider the sin theta is a bracket derivative is beside. So in this case what you are writing? Bracket power plus 1 by power plus 1. Bracket power what I have? 1. 1 plus 1 means 2 by 2. Limits from 0 to pi by 2. So 1 by 14 you can write outside. Now sin square theta you have. First apply upper limit. Sin 90. What is the sin 90? Sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1. 1 square is nothing but 1 only. Minus sin 0 is 0 square. That's it. So you will have 1 by 14 is the final answer. Is it clear for everyone? So the answer is what? 1 by 14. Friends, if you have any doubts on this multiple integral topic and if you want more number of the problems, please give your valuable feedback in the comment box. You can share your feelings freely. Thank you for watching this video.